Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I have another video for you and a little project share. Still working on the Spells Binders monthly club kit. I got it all. And so this is just another set that was included in the kit. I'm not sure. Let me see if I still have the part that tells me what club kit it was. I might have cut that part off. Oh, right here. Large die of the month. So this was the large die of the month. I've got a few extra pieces you can see for when I play again. But, yeah. So, I like the effect of everything. Like, they're beautiful and everything. It's tedious to cut out all the pieces to layer, but without the layer it doesn't look good, so I get it. So I knew this, and so I just like cut out a whole bunch of pieces in one sitting. So that's why I haven't had a video release, because I've only been able to do it after work in the evenings. Anyway, but so enjoy the video. And stay till to the end. I'll share with you the remainder of the cards I made. hope you like that process. I'm back to share with you all the cards I ended up with. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. But yeah, here we go. So this is the one that I showed in the beginning. Just bunches of layers of flowers. And you could just, you know, just keep adding. And that's why it's good to have a whole bunch, because you could just keep adding and make it fuller. Here's another one. And they're all blank on the inside, and then my stampy stamp on the back. But that's another one. Just the corner spray. Here's another. And then the last one. And these I just rubbed an ink pad over the raised part of the embossing and got this. But I know I could have added the ink to the embossing folder itself, and when I embossed it, the ink would have been on the raised part like this. If you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know, and then I'll do a video on that. But yeah, so these were the 4 cards I got out that I made with the large month die club. I don't know what else I have. I know I have more other videos because I don't think I've used all of them yet. So stay tuned for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas.